Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, real life, welcome back. I'm back. I've been missing in action here lately, like a full on year, y'all. Lord have mercy. So yeah, let me just give y'all some updates really quick. This video is not gonna be that long at all. It's just simply to let you know that I'm back in the flesh. I'm back to YouTube. I got a whole list of stuff planned for y'all. Like, I'm ready for 2018 for real, for real. So yes. So yes, let's just go ahead and jump right in. Um First off, I got married. Yeah, I got married November 12th of 2017. Yes, me and my honey are finally married, which was super exciting. I caught myself stressing out like the month before, like literally stressing out, which was unnecessary. Um, and it was one of those things like I decided to take on a lot of stuff that I shouldn't have taken on, or I should have just asked for help. That's all it was. Like, I'm a control freak and I like to do things my way, or I think that I can do it better. Stupid on me. So yeah, I caught myself slipping, had to pick myself back up, and pretty much like 2 weeks before the wedding, I was in chill mode, like whatever. If it wasn't that important, it didn't get done. We didn't miss it. So yeah. But I'm married. Yes. I don't know if y'all have been keeping a lookout for me on like Instagram and Facebook and stuff. Yeah, I'm natural. Never thought I would be the one to go natural, but I'm natural. I big chopped February 2017, the year of my wedding. I big chopped in February, 2 days before Valentine's Day. And yeah, like it was one of those big chops where you just shave your head and maybe have like a quarter inch of new growth. It was one of them. Like, I looked like a little boy. For real. I was a cute little boy, but I looked like a little boy. So, wigs were my savior, pretty much, until I was ready to wear it out. And then one day I just took my wig off and was like, here you go. Natural and all. Yeah. So yeah, that's another update. And then just to kind of take y'all a little bit deeper, of why I kind of took a really long break. It really wasn't supposed to be a year or over a year. I just kind of lost a lot of inspiration. I lost a lot of want to sit down and record because I was in a situation where I didn't even want to put on makeup. Like, I had stopped wearing makeup to work. I was super stressed out, working about 50 to 55 hours a week. Like, what was the point? And then coming home, all I wanted to do was eat and sleep. Now, granted, I would work out. I'd go work out and do stuff like that, but no. And even my workout kind of took a toll. Like, wasn't nobody trying to be in nobody gym other than trying to fit in this dress. Like, I would go just so I knew I fit in my dress. But I wasn't trying to be, super strong. Like, no. So 2018, I'm claiming it is my year. This is not that cliche new year, new me. I'm just doing better. How about that? We're gonna do better. We're gonna be better. We're gonna live better. So yeah, that is pretty much it on my life. But I'll be back. Um, be on the lookout for this eyeshadow look because, I'm feeling myself. I've been using some new products. I got a whole new skincare routine. Like, y'all, I'm back in business. So, yeah, y'all leave me some comments below. Show your girl a little bit of love. Let me know if y'all have any, requests, any videos you would like to see. Yeah. So be on the lookout for some new content. I'm ready. As you can see, I got a whole new like setup here. Excuse the mess in the background. I was filmed, this this look had to come to life. Okay, so yeah, it excuse all of this back here, but yeah, we back in business. Okay, so y'all give me a thumbs up, share my videos with folks, leave me some comments, leave me a little bit of love, encouragement. We here for each other. I got you, you got me. So yeah, let me stop rambling because that is exactly what I'm doing. Because I'm super excited to be back. Like for real, for real. I've been talking about it, and that great saying, "Don't talk about it, be about it." So I'm gonna be about it. So yes, guys. Yeah. uh, I hope you all enjoy the content that I am planning on putting out. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.